Police body cam footage shows the moment that Stephen McCullagh was arrested for the murder of Natalie McNally.
Stephen, you're under arrest for murder. You do not have to say anything, but I must caution you that if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court, it may harm your defence. If you do say anything, it may be given in evidence.
Miss McNally, who was 15 weeks pregnant at the time, was murdered at her home in the Silverwood area of Lurgan on December 18th, 2022. These CCTV images, seen for the first time, show Stephen McCullagh board a bus in Dunmurry and make his way to her house. A doorbell camera records McCullagh as he approaches. It was moments later he carried out the brutal murder. McCullagh leaves the area before getting into this taxi in the nearby Lurgan town centre. It was then he returned to his home in Lisburn. The next day, he made this 999 call from her home, claiming to have found Natalie's body.
Ambulance service, is the patient breathing?
Sorry?
Is the patient breathing?
No! She's cold!
Okay. Listen, what's the address of the emergency, please?
Go to the car, she's pregnant.
Listen, are you saying she's pregnant?
Yes!
And she's not breathing? Did you say she's cold?
She's cold!
Okay. Listen to me. I'm going to help you, okay? You stay on the line with me, all right? Stay on the line with me. Okay, listen, if there is a defibrillator available, and send someone else to get it now in case we need it later. Tell me whenever you have it, okay? Is there anybody else with you? You can go and get a defib.
No, there's blood everywhere.
Listen to me. I'm organising help for you now. Stay on the line. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do next.
McCullagh told police during an interview that he was live streaming on the night. This was picked apart by detectives at the PSNI Cybercrime Unit. Stephen McCullagh will now serve a life sentence for the murder of Natalie and her unborn son, Dean.